Good morning. Let's look at balancing chemical equations. This is one of the tasks that we're going to be working on. I'll step over here in the light where you can actually see me. This is what I look like without a mask. So in your assignments for today, I put this into GoFormative, and I thought I would make a video to kind of explain how to balance a chemical reaction. So the first one right here is already balanced for you, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how they actually came about doing this. So I'm going to write the equation. Cu plus S yields. Now you'll notice this is a synthesis reaction because we start off with two separate things that become a new thing. So the next thing you do is you do your accounting. You write the elements that are on the reactant side. And then I always draw a line to separate between the reactants and the products. And then I write the products in the same order I wrote the reactants. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to list how many of each one I have. So on this side I have 1 copper and 1 sulfur. And on this side I have 2 coppers and 1 sulfur. So what you see is that you have 1 copper on this side, but 2 on that side. And so this equation is a very sad equation because it's not balanced. So what you can do is you can add those coefficients that we talked about with last week when we started looking at chemical reactions. And remember, the coefficients will multiply toward a whole thing. It's just like in algebra, you use distributive property. So probably the easiest way to start is I look at copper and there's 2 here, but there's 1 here. So if I multiply this one by 2, 2 times 1 is now 2. And so now I look and I have 2 coppers on this side. I have 2 coppers on that side. I have 1 sulfur on this side. I have 1 sulfur on that side. And so this equation is balanced, so it's happy. Now you'll notice in the example they went ahead and put 1s just so they don't have any blank spaces, and that's fine. If it bothers you to have the blank spaces, then definitely put 1, but never, ever, ever put 0.